Welcome to Lawyers Gyan, the place where you can easily understand the world of law. Whether you're a law student, a legal professional, or just curious about the law, we're here to help. Our channel is your guide to making legal topics simple and interesting. Subscribe to Lawyers Gyan and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our regular updates and enlightening content that will keep you well-informed and legally savvy.
Ever pondered about initiating your own litigation practice in India? It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? The thrill of the courtroom, the intellectual challenge of the law, and the satisfaction of helping people with their legal problems. However, it's not an easy task. Today we're going to break down the process into manageable steps. Firstly, arm yourself with the necessary qualifications. In India, to be a litigation lawyer, a law degree from a reputable university is a must, along with passing the All India Bar Examination, fondly known as AIB. It's not just about having a degree, it's about being fully equipped to handle the legal challenges that come your way. Once you're qualified, it's time to select a practice area. Yes, the world of law is vast and diverse. From criminal law to corporate law, from intellectual property to environmental law, you're spoiled for choice. Choose an area that not only interests you, but also one where you can bring your A game. Now, let's talk business. Yes, a business plan. It's the map that guides your practice. It helps you identify your goals, your target market, and strategies to reach them. It's the blueprint of your dream project, your very own litigation practice. Next, you need to secure funding. Starting a practice requires capital for an office, for staff, for resources. Whether you decide to dip into your savings, take out a loan, or seek investors, ensure you have enough to cover the initial expenses and keep the practice running until it becomes profitable. Finding an office space comes next. It needs to be a place that is accessible and convenient for your clients, yet affordable for you. It's not just an office, it's the place where justice is sought and found. Finally, it's time to put on the marketing hat. In this day and age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Use social media, online advertising, and networking to spread the word about your practice. Remember, your reputation is your strongest marketing tool. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to start your own litigation practice in India. It's a journey filled with challenges, but it's also one filled with rewards. The satisfaction of having your own practice, helping clients navigate the labyrinth of law, is unmeasurable. Remember, the road to starting your own litigation practice in India involves acquiring the right qualifications, choosing a practice area, drafting a detailed business plan, securing funding, finding the right office space, and marketing your practice effectively. A challenging journey indeed, but the destination is worth it. Thank you for joining us today on Lawyers Gyan. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Until next time, keep the legal spirit alive.
Thanks for watching another video from Lawyers Gyan. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. For the latest legal insights and community discussions, follow us on our social media channels.